guys, my name is Mario Marmal, and now we're going to look at the demo of Bumblebee. Yes, I know there's a little bit, I know that there's something a little bit missing in this movie, and there's about it. Whoa! Anyways, could you pick that up? Okay, so this is Bumblebee, and I thought maybe we could customize him. Hasbro didn't really thought of customizing Bumblebee, but I thought of it. Just a thought. Whoa! Could you get me again? Thank you. So here we are. I'm gonna remove the one on his shoulder, remove the spoiler, remove the other one that's stuck on his shoulder. And wait, what's the other one? The one that's stuck to it is... So here we go, we put it on his shoulder. Then we do the same thing to the other side. Just in case. There we go. There we have it. Then we're gonna get this. And then we're gonna get this off. Gonna get this off of Bumblebee's leg. Next is adding up to this position. Next is put this put this on his shoulder at the third. There we go. And he looks awesome. And later I'm going to show you the most awesome part. There we go. So we made an awesome new Bumblebee. Upgraded. And this is the second one that you should be looking at. Move the one on things. And then put this over here. And then put this over here. And then put it here. And then of course this would be blocking the view. We have to remove this. Then add this. Then finally you have your other next flying Bumblebee in Nitro form. Next is the best that I know, the Samurai Bumblebee. I just invented it, so don't laugh. And then we plug it in here, like so. There we go. And then we put it here at the end of our time. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, now, yep, there we go. And then put the one on the screen, it's like a hand or something. And put it here. Then there you have it, your Samurai Bumblebee. And sorry for you. Then he will do this to his master. I don't really know if he... Anyway, let's put him back to normal form. Putting back what he desires. His normal. His normality. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. Put it over here. You can see that clearly. Let's just put this back to his leg. Then we put the other one. Oh yeah. Why am I so forget? We put it here. The red one. And over there. And then 1, 2, 3. And voila! Perfection. Okay, now we put this here. And we do the same thing on the other side. Then we're getting hands over here. Then we put this over here. Then we put this over here. Now we put it on his feet. And the same thing to the other feet. This other foot. And then, whoa! Put the spoiler here in front of him. And then 1, 2, 3. There we have it. The original Bumblebee, who's just about to die. So, and this is his logo. It could be it's also removable. This is like where the air comes in. After that, it's an aircon inside. So here, and here we go. We're going to go to the website Creo.com. There we go. There, Creo Transformers. Just look, guys, look. It's pretty awesome. Neat. Here, let's watch some videos. Let's watch one video of this. This must be a cool video. Let's watch it. I like the Christmas. It's very funny.